Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 12th of May 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so which organization has established a central fraud registry? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is SEBI. So as directed by the Reserve Bank of India, banks are considering constituting a database of fraud for better credit penetration. So basically a database readily available to the bank would help them to provide genuine credit where the borrowers would not suffer. So on the lines of the credit fraud registry, the Indian public and private sector banks are also having a similar database that would record even attempted fraud. Okay, so now next question. Which firm would spend 1000 crore rupee in the Tamil Nadu electric car market? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Switch Mobility. So recently the EV arm of the Ashoka Leyland will invest 1000 crore rupee as a part of the electric vehicle investment. So in a push for the government of India's FAME 2.0 that seek to make India an electric vehicle destination, many private players have come forward to make investment. So the electric vehicle unit would be set up on the outskirts of the Chennai in Tamil Nadu. Okay, so now next question. What is the total number of judges on the Supreme Court? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is 34. So basically Justice Sudhanshu Dhulia, Justice Jamshed B. Padiwal has been appointed as a Supreme Court judge under Article 124. So basically now the total strength is completed with 34 judges. Okay, so now move to the next question. Which business recently partnered with Boeing to do extensive maintenance check 3 Indian Navy P-8I maritime patrol aircraft? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Airworks. So recently Airworks, an Indian maintenance repair company, is partnership with Boeing company to conduct heavy maintenance check on the 3 Indian Navy P-8I long-range maritime patrol aircraft at Airworks. Okay, so now next question. Which firm just overtaken Hindustan Unilever Limited as India's largest fast-moving consumer good company? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Adani Wilmar Limited. So recently Adani Wilmar Limited became the largest fast-moving consumer good company in India, beating Hindustan Unilever after the announcement of its quarter 4 result for the financial year 2022. So basically Adani Wilmar Limited has reported total operating revenue of rupees 54,214 crore in the financial year 2022, whereas Hindustan Unilever reported a revenue of rupees 51,468 crore in the financial year 2021 to 2022. Okay, so now next question. L&T Infotech and Mindtree, the two independently listed IT service company under L&T Group, announced a merger that would create India's 5th largest IT service provider. So basically, what will be the united entity be called it? So the correct answer of this question is option B. So recently L&T Infotech and Mindtree, two independently listed IT service company under L&T Group, announced a merger that would create India's 5th largest IT service provider. So the combined entity would be known as LTI Mindtree. Okay, so now next question. Which bank recently launched its e-broking digital broking service as a strategic move towards the total digitalization of its client products? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Indian Bank. So the Indian Bank, which is a public sector bank, has introduced its digital broking solution, e-broking, as a strategic move towards the comprehensive digitalization of its customer products. So basically e-broking, an instant and paperless demat and trading account opening service, is now available through the bank's mobile banking app. So the product was introduced in the collaboration with Fisdom, the bank's financial technology partner. Okay, so now next question. Who was recently appointed chairman and managing director of HPCL? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is Pushp Kumar Joshi. So recently, Pushp Kumar Joshi, who recently took over as the interim chairman and managing director of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, has been appointed to the board of the nation's third largest oil refining and fuel marketing company. So basically, Joshi is also holding the additional charge of director marketing of HPCL. So basically, prior to this, Dr. Joshi was director of HR of the corporation from 1st of August 2012. Okay, so now next question. Which bank and its parent firm have just received approval from the Reserve Bank of India subject to this certain restriction? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Equitas Small Finance Bank. So the Reserve Bank of India has given its nod to Equitas Small Finance Bank and its parent company, that is Equitas Holding Limited merger plan. So subject to certain restriction. So basically the RBS no objection come with string attached. So the merger is being carried out to comply with the RBI Small Finance Bank regulation to cut his or her stake in the subsidiary to 40% within 5 years of the SFB startup. Okay, so now next question. Which state recently became the first Indian corporation to generate annual sales of more than $100 million? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Reliance Industry. So recently Reliance Industry became the first Indian company to record annual revenue of more than a whopping $100 billion. So the company has recorded a 22.5% rise in the net profit for the quarter ending March 2022. So the Reliance has recorded strong growth in the retail, digital service and the oil and gas business. So the company also reported the highest ever quarterly earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization of rupees 33,968 crore, that is 28%. Okay.